Hello, welcome to your latest update from the Met Office. For many, it'll get a bit brighter through the rest of today, but overall it's quite grey, it's quite damp and it's windy for some, particularly South Wales and southwest England. The bigger picture shows what's left of Storm Lorenzo moving across the United Kingdom. It really has been fizzling out though over the past 12 hours or so. Behind me there's a big swirl of cloud. That's an area of low pressure that will bring us some wet weather over the course of the weekend. But let's get back to the rest of today because there's still a fair bit of clouds and outbreaks of rain left with this weather system moving in through the morning across North Wales, some heavy bursts of rain, and that will continue to track its way southwards. So it'll turn a bit wetter over the Midlands. We'll see outbreaks of rain eventually pushing into South Wales and southwest England. And it is quite gusty here as well, staying very blustery in the southwest. Elsewhere, the winds are a bit lighter. Yes, a few showers, but for many, it's turning drier and brighter through the rest of Friday with some decent spells of sunshine across northern and western parts of Scotland. Temperature-wise, well, if we get a bit of brightness, we could see those temperatures jumping up into the mid or even high teens, typically 13, 14. Feeling cooler, though, in the southwest with a fairly brisk and gusty wind blowing here. We'll see a bit more rain trickling into the southwest through the evening, but this is the scene for the rush hour. For many, actually, it will be dry by this stage. And I think we'll continue with some mist and low cloud in places for much of the night. But generally, it will become a lot drier overnight. The winds will be fairly light. And certainly where skies are clearest across Scotland, northeast England, it will turn quite chilly here. Temperatures down into single figures, even in towns and cities. Rural areas well down into single digits. Whereas in the south, where it stays predominantly cloudy, misty, murky, it will be relatively mild. Main theme for Saturday morning is that for most places it will be dry. There'll be the odd shower here and there, quite drizzly perhaps on the Aberdeenshire coast, and it won't stay dry as that next weather system we saw earlier starts to push into Northern Ireland, so turning damp here and western parts of Scotland eventually. Some patchy rain for Wales and southwest England too. Many central and eastern parts though will be dry and bright for much of Saturday. Temperatures slowly on the increase after that chilly start in the northeast, 12, 13 here further south, a bit of sunshine. Could see those temperatures getting to 16 or 17 Celsius, maybe a touch higher in one or two spots. But the rain is the main theme for later on Saturday. This band of rain will move in and then kind of grind to a halt overnight. So it'll turn very soggy across Scotland, eventually that rain working into northern England, across Wales and into the Midlands through the evening. Still largely dry at this stage across East Anglia and the southeast, but that rain will move into the east and then kind of grind to a halt, only slowly easing during Sunday. And it could be pretty heavy in places as well. But away from the east, Sunday does look a bit brighter and drier across much of Wales, southwest England and Northern Ireland. For the very latest details, make sure you keep up to date with the Met Office by following us on social media.